Hello, are you struggling with order of operation? Let us work together this question. We are supposed to work out 20 minus 3 square plus 4 in the bracket 2 plus 1. We are going to be led by PEMDAS and we are going to move from left to right. According to PEMDAS, we start with parentheses, we go to exponent, then multiplication or division, and we finish with addition or subtraction. Our question has parentheses, so we are going to start with parentheses. We write the rest the same. Between 4 and parentheses, there is multiplication. 2 plus 1, we got 3. Again, already we have done with parentheses. Next is exponent. And we have 3 square, so we are going to work here. After that, the next priority is multiplication or division, and we are working from left to right, so we are going to work on 4 multiplied by 3. We don't have any division or multiplication again. The second priority is addition or subtraction. And since we are going from left to right, we are going to start with 20 minus 9. At last, we are going to add 11 plus 12, we got 23. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.